port engine running a little above idle. It's very fine. The sound is very reassuring. There's a bit of smoke at the exhaust, but I'll show you that also.
I don't know if you can see the smoke in this video, but it's white smoke. There's glazing. Definitely there's glazing on the cylinder walls. The only way to fix that is to give her a good Italian tune-up, which is appropriate since you're in Italy. This is the cam gear of the other engine. He's taking it apart because it's not fueling properly. So we suspect some kind of obstruction in the lubrication circuit. This housing, unfortunately, is probably obsolete, and we'll probably have to change it. But there's many available here. It's just an extra cost. This is, I think, the lift pump, the fuel transfer pump. Well, they call it the lift pump in British engines. I think this one's kind of a goner also, but I think we can also find the parts for that here. All in all, a very reassuring sound, and it's cooling. In other words, the freshwater heat exchanger is working, which is a very good thing. They, generally speaking, aren't. Also, the elbow seems to be working. I don't think there's any severe leaks, but I think we're going to fabricate new elbows all the same.